In this video, we will see how to view the document history within a part record. We will go to the sample fabricated part, and we notice this history icon on each folder. When we click the history icon, it lets us know the transactions that have taken place within the file system of these different folders. And so, for instance, if I rename this bracket ABC, so we'll rename it to bracket ABC123. Now when we look at the part history, we will notice that it added right here that this user renamed bracket A, B, C located and issued to this new file name. And the same thing is true if we decide to move this file to engineering. And we look at any one of these icons. We'll see now that it says that demo admin moved that file from issue to engineering. Now if you have annotations turned on so that you can annotate your PDF files whenever you save the annotations. When you look at the part history, you'll see that it also lets you know who has annotated the PDF files as well. So that's how to see part history. And the different files that are within the folders inside of FloorVisio.